Hi all, today we'll discuss about top Java MCQ questions related. So what all are the Java programming MCQ questions? So multiple choice questions. So these all are related for this interview if you're going for the freshers. So these type of questions they may ask related for MCQ. The first question is what will be the output of the following program. So the output of the class main method in main class inside this main method is there a string argument type, and then we have an integer x and integer y. So these two type of variables are there. Now they are comparing with this if conditions. If x plus plus is greater than 10 and x plus plus y is greater than 20. So if they are checking these two conditions, then the x value will be 20. So they are checking and after that printing SOP of x and y value. So see x value is 10. So post increment and pre y increment is there. So if you check, the x value is 11 and y value is 20. So the correct output is 11 and 20 here. Now coming for this, what does the Java code snip print? So we have a class test and then main method inside SOP of 1 to 3. So the correct answers here is 33 because 3 is a string type. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3, 33. Now what will be the following Java code output? So we have a class method, class my class, and then method is two method. One is integer type, another is double type. Both are a static method. So here they are calling this 99. So this is integer type, it will call int, and then others is double type, it will call double. So the output of a int and double. Now coming for this, what does exception does for the Java code snip? So main method inside this integer members, array type of members which have size 3. Now coming for integer number 4, they are inserting some value. So in that case what will be the output? So the output is 4. So that is array out of bound. Why? Because of they declare only size of 3 and they are trying to insert in 4. So this will be index out of bound exception will come. Now coming for what will be the output of this flowing Java program. So we have increment class main method inside that two variable x equal to 4, y equal to x plus plus. Then they are checking x and y value. So x value will be increment here as a 4 to 5 and y value will have a 4 only. So 5 and 4. Now coming for what will be the output of the following Java code. So we have main method, we have inside this two string s1 and s2, and then s1 s2 having hello hello new string, and now they are checking with the equals operator. So while we equal operators check with the reference, so both reference is different, is a not s1 and s2 is a different, it means the output will be false. If same, then it will be true or else false. Now coming for which of the following is true about the Java constructor. So Java constructor, a constructor have same name of the class is correct. A constructor cannot be overloaded. False. A constructor must be declared public. A constructor is used to destroy the object. So I think one, if you have to select, the correct answer is this one. Now coming for this, what will be the output of the following Java program? So we have a boolean class and then we have a main method. So boolean b equal to false. So if b equal to true, then SOP will print, else this will be print. So what will be the correct answers for this? So I think b equal to true means this conditions will satisfied and the output will be true here. Now coming for what will be the output of this code snip. So So we have a main method inside this character c, and then for c equal to a, c is less than equal to e, and c plus plus. So character c defining till e. So the output will be a, b, c, d, e, because c is character c is less than or equal to e. So the output will have this one till e will call using for loop. Then what will be the which of the following options correctly describe for the final keyword in Java? So the final keyword variable can be initialized only once. Yeah, correct. Final method can be operated. Not correct. A final is inherited. Not correct. All of above. So I think this is the best appropriate answer. Final can be final. A final variable can be initialized only once. Yeah, this is the correct. Now coming for this, what will be the following output of the Java code? So they have main method. Inside this main method, final I, and they I equal to 20, the SOP of I. So the I will be 20 only. So final won't be reinitialized. So I is 20 initialized. So the correct answer is 20. Now coming for, consider the following Java program. What will be the output of this? So we have S1 and S2. So S1 S, S string ABC, and S string 2 is a ABC. Now they are checking the equals. So equals will check the reference. So if those two is different, so the output will S1 and S2 equal. So the output of S1 and S2, I think, is false. This one. So this will be false. Both are these are different. They are checking the reference, so both will be different. So this will be false. Now coming for this next one, what is the output of compiling and running the following Java code? So compiling and running the following Java code. So we have array data type 123. Now they are checking with the conditions I equal to int I with data I. So what will be the output of this? So the I will come from 123. 123 will be there. So I, so the output will be 234. What will be the incorrect about the following Java code snip? So we have a main method inside the number. Now we are doing SOP of number. So what will be the output? The variable's number is not initialized. System.out.println cannot be print integer. Incorrect. There should be semicolon at the end of print statement. This code is correct. I think variable number is not yet initialized, so this will be the correct answer. Now coming for this, what does the following Java code snip print? So we have main method. Main method we have a boolean f, and they are checking if for flag is true, then true, or else false. So this will be conditions true, and the SOP of true will be printed. Now what will be the output of the following Java code snip? So we have class. Inside this class we have main method, and this main method we have integer x equal to 10, change x, and they have change method. So the change having integer x type. So this 10 will be coming here, and then reassignize with the 20. So what will be the output? So the output will be of x, change x. So the output will be, I think, this is static, and this also static. So non-static to static. I think the output will be 10 only here. Now coming for the next part will be the output of the following Java code. So calculations. So this calculation have main method a and b. So a are b result, double result, b dividing by a. So the output of this is 2.0. This will be the correct. If you divide from b to 5 by 2. What is exception throw by following code? So result divide by 10 comma 0. So now we have divide method. So divide method is x y. So x by y means 10 by 0. So 10 by 0 if you divide, then we have arithmetical exception will come. What will be the following code? What will be the output of the following Java program? So main method, inside this main method x equal to 5, then they are this doing some ternary operations here, x greater than 2, question mark x less than 4, question mark 10, sprint 8 or 7. So in this case 8 will be printed because x is greater than 2, so this will be printed. If not, then this will be printed. So this 8. Consider the following Java class. What is the main issue with this? So we need to find this. What is the issue exactly in that? So if you see here, we have a private int count, then we have a get set and get count. So set integer type of count, and then get. I think so. This is fine. So the set count method incorrectly assigned itself instead of filled. The class does not have constructor. The get method not correctly assigned. There is no issue. I think this set method need have some values. So this is incorrectly defined. Now coming for the next. What is the following Java code output? So class test main method integer array 3 defined here. Now they are checking int I is equal to 0, I is less than array dot length, and I plus plus if I equal to 2, I multiple into 2, and SOP of array dot I. So in this case 21. What will be the output? So in this case 0 1 2 0 1 2 0 2 4 1 2 3 0, and then 1 not 2 then 4. Yeah, so this will be the output while we are doing this I into multiply into 2. Now coming for this, what is the result of compiling and running the following Java code? So a plus 1 plus 2. So the output will be a plus 1 plus 2 is 98. I think not 12, not 82, not b2, 98. Now coming for analyze the following Java code step. What is the primary issue? So primary issue float f equal to is fine. So the primary issue is the float variable of should be the type double. The literal no is the type double cause mismatch. There is no issues with the code compiling run correctly. The literal 3 point type of type double cause a type mismatch. Yeah. Now coming for the next. What is the output of the following Java code? So we have class method, then inside for loop, and then they are checking I equal to 5, I less than 5, I equal to 0 to less than 5, I divide by 3 equal to 0 to continue, and then this. So while doing continue here, so in this case, what will be the output? So the output will be 1, 2, and 3 will be continue. Then 4 will come. So the output is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. Sorry. Now what does the following Java code snip return? So we have factorial class inside this. We have factorial method and if checking n equal to 0, then return 1, or else we do n into multiply factorial n minus 1. So factorial is 5. So this 5 factorial 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is 120. So till we cover all the 25 important Java interview questions program MCQ questions. If you submit here, you will get the answers. So the first is correct. Why? If conditions use short circuit, x plus plus greater than 10 is false. Why? Because x is post increment. So the second part of conditions y plus plus is greater than 20 is not evaluate, leaving y as 20 here. So this is the reason of why y is 20. So this is the main reason. Now second is also correct, third is also correct, fourth is also correct, fifth is also correct, sixth is also correct, seventh is also correct, eighth is also correct, 9, 10, 11 is also correct, 12 is incorrect. Incorrect why? Because correct answer is to resting letter. Okay, this one. So string literal like ABC is a intern in the Java virtual machine. So S1 and S2 refer same object in the memory. So equals comparing the true. Okay. And 13 is correct, 14 is correct, 15 is also correct, 16 correct, 17, 18, 19 correct, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4 all correct. So like that you can prepare for this MCQ questions. If you want, you can refer this cues of all the Java, Spring Boot, microservice, and all MCQ related questions here. Thank you.